Morning, everyone. My name is Tofara Chokera. I am an internet marketing coach. I'm also the CEO and founder of African Queen Zimbabwe, Rava Bookstore, and Tengesa Online. Today, I'm going to talk more about the Tofara Online platform, and I'm going to talk about the services which I offer. Tofara Online is a platform which I created when I started my business, African Queen Zimbabwe. People seeing how I market my products, how I have managed to penetrate the global markets. People were just coming to me and asking me, how am I doing it? How am I getting these global clients? Because I started sending things to New Zealand. Some I sent to UK, and I have other clients in Israel as well. So people were asking me, and in Southern Africa, I have managed to send products to South Africa, Botswana, Zambia. So people were asking me, how are you really doing it? That is when I came up with this platform. I'm actually passionate about empowering the next person, especially women and young people in business. Sometimes we need to be innovative. We also need to move away from relying on walk-in customers and also target the global market, because this is the market which is going to bring in foreign currency to us. We in Zimbabwe here, it's difficult to trade with foreign currency in Zimbabwe, but when you target the global market, yes, you're going to be paid in US dollar or in any other currency, which will make you actually boost your business. So I created this platform so that I offer services. I do not spoon feed people. I actually teach you how to do these things, because sometimes when you're starting your business, you just need to start your business at the lowest possible cost, especially when it comes to marketing. You do not have to pay people to create your flyers. You do not have to pay people to create your banners. You can actually do it. Just give yourself time to learn how to do these things and embrace technology so that your business grows, at the minimum possible cost. My services which I offer internet marketing coaching services, whereby I teach about social media marketing, having your own website, a number of things which can be done online on the internet so that you get the global market to be your customer. I also teach on website development, and I usually teach people on using a free platform which offers free templates, and what you just need to do is to customize the template. Then you use the template to put information about your business. Then you launch your website. Yes, you're going to pay a fee, but it's very little. The fee you pay for launching your business, your website, it's minimum. Unlike just engaging someone to say, can you please develop a website for me? That person will charge you a lot of money. But what I'm saying is just empower yourself with this skill and develop your own website. I developed my own website. I'm not a programmer. I don't even know about coding, but because of templates which you can do some drags and drops, you put your own pictures, you put your own content, you put your services there, you can actually come up with a stunning website because of templates which are readily available. So I'll talk in detail about website development. Then I also have my own magazine which is called African Queen Zimbabwe. African Queen Zimbabwe is a magazine which I created to post a number of articles from different entrepreneurs who have done so well in business and who have stories which will encourage the next person to start his or her own small business and earn an income. And I also post articles to do with internet marketing so that we are able to grow our businesses online. I'm also a network marketer. and I am in Greenwold, sell Greenwold products. I'll talk more about this in my next videos. So this is my website, and these are my services which I offer. I also have a blog on my website. You can see that I post a number of articles on this website whereby people read and actually engage with me. This one, turn your monthly expenses into monthly income. It's actually a book which I read, and I saw the contents in they actually assist people who are in network marketing businesses, how to grow their businesses, how to engage with a lot of people, how to be recruiting machines, at the same time empowering their team to do the same, to recruit people, to sell products, and so on. And I also talked about Rava Bookstore. Rava Bookstore is a platform which I developed for writers and people who actually like reading, whereby it's a platform whereby people post their books, people read. If you are an author, you want to sell your book, this is the platform which you actually use. And this Create and Sell is just an article which I wrote that when you want to start, let's say you are new in business, you don't know anything, just read this article, Create and Sell, and learn more about how you can grow your small business. And I also have freebies on my website. I've got the African Queen magazine. I've put 2 copies there. You can download and read what's in there and see the services or the stories which are in there. And if you are inspired, we now sell the magazine every month for about $1. In fact, it's $1 per download. So these are the services we offer. These are my partners. Sympathy Mazuruse is one of my contributors in the African Queen Zimbabwe. She writes about being me. She creates a number of topics where she talks about being you as a woman, being you as a person, and how you can actually empower yourself or develop yourself in doing good. I also have Mandy there. Mandy is also one of my contributors. She talks about, she has a company called Chris and Gio. She is an agent for maid recruiting. She's a powerful woman. She writes articles where she actually teaches people on how best they can recruit people who can help them in their homes. And we have actually made sure that she gets a slot in our magazine every month. I also have Fortunate Farirai. She's one of my mentees at African Queen Online. On my website, I also talk about my affiliation. Yes, I'm a member of Zayoja Forward in Faith Ministries, a member of Computer Society of Zimbabwe. These are my affiliations, I developed this website so that at least people see that I'm authentic. That is what you need to do as well. People should know who you are. Yes, you're selling your product, but who are you really? Then I spoke about, on this tab about me, I spoke about myself. Who am I? Where did I come from? What made me to start business? People need to see this when you want to grow your business online, because sometimes people are so skeptical about online businesses. But once people see that this is an authentic person, it's easier for them to engage with you, and it's easier for them to actually start working with you. I also write about startups, how you can start your business, 10 small business ideas, e-commerce, what can e-commerce help you in your business. I write articles on startups at Tofara Online. So even if you do not want to engage with me personally, you can actually go to my website and actually read more articles which are going to actually help you in starting and running your own business. Some people are demotivated. They have started businesses and they failed, and they actually saying that they are quitting. But what I say at Tofara Online, I say that yes, failure is there, but do not quit. Do not quit, because that there is more money in business than anywhere else you can think of. Just be there, never give up. Develop yourself, be you, because sometimes we get discouragements from people around us. But if we know who we are, if we know what we want, if we have got our set goals, we'll be able to move. So I've got a motivation page where I post anything motivational, people engaging with me. I know a lot of people have come to me and said, you know what, I was on the verge of actually quitting on my business, and even quitting in life. You know, there are people who get to a point whereby they can't carry on. But I'm saying at Tofara Online, this is the platform to come and refresh and actually find purpose for moving on. I have my services page there, the full detailed one. Also, I'm available for booking. If you want just a chat for about 45 minutes, I can talk to you free. And there are also one-on-one coaching whereby I sit down with you to tell you the strategy which you can actually use for your business. I just look at your business. If you're selling like baby clothes, I tell you the strategy which you're supposed to take. Then we work together from there. Then I also have marketing coaching services. I do group coachings. If you are a church, or if you are a group of business people and you want me to talk about online marketing, I'm available for booking. And my maximum hours per day is 2 hours. Also, the corporates, you'll find that big companies, some of them are struggling. Why? Because small businesses are taking over, and the big corporates should increase their online visibility and harness the global market. I'm here to actually assist even the big corporates to tell them how they can strategize their marketing plans, how can they engage with the global market. So I also have my blog here. I post on anything which I know that will empower the next person. So I also have events which are scheduled. As for now, I've got one which is on the 27th of October, Internet Marketing Training, and this is specifically for network marketers. If you want to be part of this event, you just need to register. And also I have a member area whereby you actually need to create your membership at Tofara Online. Tell us what you do. You know, these are the members. I've got Philippa. You know, these are the members who are already there. Tell us what you are. Tell us who you are, what you do. We share business ideas here. You can actually follow people, like how you follow people on Instagram, on Twitter. You know, you can actually do that on Tofara Online, so that at least people engage. People who are in similar businesses, they will actually meet and mingle, give each other advices and so on. So basically, this is what I offer at tofaraonline.com. Do not hesitate to come to me. These are my contact details down here. I'm based in Arcadia, but I often have meetings in town. Those are my numbers. You can send me an email. You can fill in this box with your details. Send me a message. If you want an online chat on our website, we can chat as well. So thank you everyone, and please like my Facebook page, Tofara Online, and my Facebook page on African Queen Zimbabwe. And thank you so much for giving me your time, and thank you so much for being one of my clients. Thank you.